It's the one obstacle that prevents literally millions of people from creating their own YouTube channel and enjoying the benefits of video marketing, the fear of looking terrible on camera. But here's the thing, very few people are naturally gifted on camera. Those video marketers who you look up to, the people who seem to be killing it on every single video, the people who look like they were born to be in front of the camera, well, for most of them, it doesn't come naturally. They just have a few tricks up their sleeve, and within the next few minutes, so will you. So stay tuned for my top 6 strategies for looking and feeling more relaxed on camera. Now, up first, the 2 tools that I couldn't be without when creating my own videos. You've got to find the recording method that works for you. Now, some people like to freestyle their content a bit, so they might thrive when working off a bullet point script or a few scribbled notes. Other people feel more confident knowing that they have every word scripted out in front of them. There's no right or wrong here, so experiment, try different recording methods and find out what works for you. Now, personally, I've tried a few different things, but I found that I work best when using a teleprompter app. Now, I swear by Padcaster and the Parrot teleprompter app, and I'm going to pop the link in the description below so that you can go check that out. Now, if you feel unnerved when you're looking through the lens, stay tuned for my deceptively simple trick that's going to make you feel 100% more relaxed. So, we're going to look through the camera lens. There's no denying it, talking into a black lens feels unnatural and can be really off-putting. My favourite way to make this part of filming feel infinitely more comfortable is to kind of look through the camera lens and actually picture the eyes of the viewers on the other side. It sounds weird, but it really does work. And next up, remember, perfect is overrated. It's a given. At some point, you'll want to stop. You'll make the uh-oh face. You might even panic. But wait, because if you've gone off script, but you're still making sense, go with it. Your audience will never know that you've made a mistake if you don't tell them. Now, tip number 4, how Insta stories are the key to making better videos. Practice, practice, practice. It's harsh but true, the first 100 probably videos that you'll make will probably be quite rubbish, but it's also true that the more you practice, the better you're going to get. So please don't give up if you don't nail your first attempts. And if you want to find a lower stakes way to practice your video skills, look no further than Instagram. Now, since Instagram stories disappear in 24 hours, they're actually the ideal training ground. It can feel far more natural to speak into a phone as well than it can into a camera. Now, next up, make content that you're passionate about. When you start digging deeper into something that you really care about, 9 times out of 10, you'll find that your passion starts to overtake your nerves. So don't save your favourite topics for when you've gotten really good at video. Use them now and watch your on-camera energy skyrocket. Now, number 6, think about your performance. Now, it can be super uncomfortable to watch your own videos back and analyse your performance, but it can also be a real game changer. Try and notice things like your posture, your energy, your pacing, the speed you talk, and your appearance. All of these things come together to build your on-camera performance and presence, so identify where you'd like to improve and commit to working on it. And you'll soon notice how it elevates your videos, and that alone will give you far more confidence on camera. So, over to you. If you're already pretty comfortable on camera, I'd love to know if you use any of the tips that I've already mentioned, or if you have any advice of your own, drop me a comment below and let me know what works for you.